How to renew a U.S. passport from Mexico. Renewing an adult U.S. passport from Mexico is a straightforward process that can be completed entirely without traveling back to the United States. If your current passport is undamaged, was issued within the last 15 years when you were age 16 or older, and still reflects your current legal name, you are eligible to renew by mail using Form DS-82. Meeting these specific criteria allows you to avoid an in-person visit to a U.S. embassy or consulate, saving you significant travel and waiting time within Mexico. If you do not meet all of these requirements, such as renewing a child's passport or replacing a lost or stolen one, you will instead need to schedule an in-person appointment at the nearest U.S. embassy, consulate, or consular agency. To begin the process, you must complete the official Form DS-82 using the online form filler, then print it out single-sided, sign, and date it. You will need to gather your physical, current U.S. passport book or card, which will be canceled and eventually returned to you along with your new one. You must also provide one recent color passport photo measuring exactly 5 by 5 centimeters with a plain white background, and any certified legal documents proving a name change if your current name differs from the one printed on your old passport. Before sending your documents, the required passport renewal fee must be paid online. This is done securely through the official Pay.gov portal by searching for the Overseas U.S. Adult Passport Renewal Fee form. Payment can be made using a credit or debit card, PayPal, or Venmo. Once the transaction is complete, it is vital to print out the electronic payment confirmation receipt, as the U.S. Processing Center requires this printout as proof of payment before they will review your application. With your documents prepared and the fee paid, you will need to visit an authorized DHL branch in Mexico and request a specialized shipping service known as a kit consulado. This service provides you with a prepaid envelope to securely send your application package to the designated U.S. embassy or consulate, along with a prepaid return waybill that ensures your new passport is safely mailed back to your address in Mexico. Processing typically takes between 3 to 4 weeks, and because you must surrender your physical passport during this time, it is highly recommended to plan ahead and ensure you have no immediate international travel or local immigration appointments scheduled. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.